quiet.
I'm good. I downloaded the Excel stuff to go to Walmart, and I on my phone. So I'm trying to like sign in on my computer, like make an account with Excel. So when I add information on my phone, I can have it also on the computer
Oh, there you
for
go.
the when I go to Walmart and get the information.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah, but I this group thing, it was really easy. Like it took me like 30 minutes.
Oh, the group meeting quiz?
No, like the quiz,
Yeah, the quiz wasn't too bad at all. I felt pretty good about it.
Yeah, I like it too.
It wasn't too bad for me either, but then that kind of scared me because
Yeah.
you're underthinking it, or it's always
True.
either overthinking or underthinking it for me.
We'll get to the end and we'll be like, oh man, we're really bad at this. We'll find out.
All right. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so number 3, 0.257.
I ended up with 0.743.
0.743.
Yeah, that's what I ended
So what
up
did
with.
you do? So did you divide? What did you divide?
So we're looking at p hat 1. So
Right.
the that's I did 52 over 70 because 70 is the population, which is the sample size in for females, and
I
then
did
X is 52.
That's how I did it the first time, but then I was like, no, it should be 18 over 70.
Well, yeah. So it's asking. I think in the question it asks how many females can taste PTC.
Right.
So if there was no, then it would be how many don't taste PTC.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry. What did we say the answer was?
0.743.
I think that's what I had the first time. Dang it. Okay, so that means my 4 is wrong. Because 4 would be 42 into 59, right?
That's right. Yeah. So that's 0.712.
Same.
Yep.
712. Okay. Okay.
And then, by the way, I took the quiz, the test. It was hard.
Did you?
And I got a 70.
Hey, there you go.
I guess it's good, but it's pretty hard, and it's pretty comprehensive. So
I got like 74, I think. So.
yeah, I don't know how my ex-girlfriend got a 99. Seriously.
Oh my gosh.
She's
I told you, you should have broke up with her.
I should have just like saying, yeah. But sorry, that was a tangent subject.
That's okay.
No, you're fine. Okay, so 5. Is it A?
I got A. Yep.
Okay, perfect.
So
6,
question 6.
Okay, so 6. The point estimate for 95% confidence interval.
Yep.
I got 0.394.
I ended up with 0.031.
Okay, I wasn't sure. How do you figure that out?
So what I did is, and if you got the first couple of questions wrong, then you'll get this one wrong as well, because the point estimate is equal to p hat 1 minus p hat 2.
Okay. Okay.
So the way that I did 0.743 minus 0.712.
Okay.
And that's how I ended up with 0.031.
Was it 0.031?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, does that sound right to you, Alan? Because it sounded like you got something different.
I was going based on Excel, so maybe I didn't do it right, to be honest.
The problem that I had is I couldn't see the point estimate on the Excel sheet.
Yeah, that was me too.
Yeah,
so I was like trying to find the formula for it, and I must have overlooked it because I couldn't find it, so I left mine blank.
Yeah, in the book, it's near the bottom of the chapter where it actually tells you where the
summary,
how everything is set up. Let me actually show you on my. Yeah, we're live.
Are we live?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Here's the equation that I wrote down. Anyway, it's right there if you can see it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So p hat 1 minus p hat 2, that's the point estimate, plus or minus the z-score times the square root of all of that stuff.
Okay.
And that's how you do the
Confidence
bounds.
interval.
Yeah, the confidence interval. Exactly.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you bet. So question 7.
What was the answer?
Oh yeah, the answer for 6 is 0.031.
Okay.
I'm not very helpful. That means I'm going to get all of these wrong because I figured them out wrong.
Well, you got the idea.
Yeah. I guess I could plug them into my spreadsheet really quick. And
That's the problem with these questions is if you get the first couple wrong, it's just kind of a snowball effect.
yeah, gosh dang it. And then I'm just going to hide and put these in. Do you mind? X2, 42. That one's equals. Okay, so what'd you get for Z?
For Z,
4?
yep.
Okay, that's what I got.
Well,
Too.
for number 7? For number 7?
No. For number 7, I got 0.1544.
Oh, hold on. For number,
I did this one wrong too. What was it?
0.1544.
okay.
That's the answer for question 7.
Okay,
It's asking the margin of error for the 95% confidence interval.
I did that, and I did that whole long. So it's 0.05 times. Oh, you know what? But I'm going to get it wrong because I did my P1, P2 wrong.
That's what it is. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's this big old huge.
Yeah. Yep. That's exactly what mine looks like. It's like
Okay, step by
half
step.
the page right there.
Okay, so I'm doing it right. I just got my numbers backwards.
That's it. Yep.
Okay, I'll have to redo it. So 0.1544.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Dang, I'm sorry, guys.
That's okay.
Okay, so then lower bound.
So I ended up with negative 0.123.
Yeah.
What was it? Negative.
Negative 0.123.
Okay.
And then upper it's 0.185.
Yep.
Yep, that's okay.
Yeah. 0.185 for question 9.
Yeah, when I just plugged it in, it came up. Yeah. So there is no shortcut to doing the margin of error. The spreadsheet doesn't do it for you.
No, it doesn't. I wish it did.
I know, huh?
Make life a lot easier.
I have to sit there and do it all hand. Okay, that's how I did it too. I'm like, am I misunderstanding the spreadsheet? Okay.
No, I think that's yeah, no, you got it.
Okay.
Number 10,
So-
I got A.
I got A as well because the p-value is 0.693. So since it's higher than alpha, we're failing to reject a null. Are you good with that, Stephanie?
Yep, that's exactly what I put too.
Okay. Question 11, I ended up with D. I put D.
I put C.
C.
Yeah.
Because there is sufficient evidence to suggest that a true portion of females who can test that PTC is different.
Because different
from
was
the
the key
true-
word.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. And the other one says like who can test is different from the true value of males.
Because the null hypothesis is the proportion of females who taste PTC different from the proportion of males who can taste PTC.
Mm-hmm. So the only reason why I put D down as opposed to C, because everything's right on C except for that it says sufficient evidence. So when the p-value is higher than alpha, basically that translates into the fact that there is not enough evidence to say
right.
what you're looking towards.
You're right.
So you'd have to put down something that says there's insufficient evidence.
I have to look at this. This is that email he sent out.
Oh yeah, yeah, that stuff is gold. That
I
stuff is
gotta put
gold.
down my cheat sheet.
Yeah. So if there, anytime that I come up with a conclusion where p-value is higher than alpha, I immediately say to myself, there is insufficient evidence that blah 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 blah. Like it doesn't matter what you're dealing with. There's insufficient evidence of whatever you're dealing with if the p-value is higher than alpha.
Okay, you're right. Now that I look at that, I looked at it wrong. I agree. Okay, so then hopefully I did this next one right, which I don't, oh gosh, who knows? Maybe I did, I didn't, it was too easy for me. Okay, so on this one, X1, okay, so what's X1 and N1?
Oh, X1, I put down 16713.
Okay.
Which one?
Sorry, I didn't hear that, Alan.
What number are you guys in?
We kind of skipped over question 12. Question 12, I put down true.
I did
True.
too. I was just kind of asking about the data.
Yeah. So question 12 is true. Question 13, we will.
Oh, is that question 13? Oh, no, okay.
Yeah, question 13.
I said D.
I put down D as well. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So now as far as the data goes, yeah, so X1 is 16713.
Okay.
And the N1 is 118519.
Okay, I did that one right.
So basically that data is saying that 16,713 people died from a heart attack on a weekday out of 118,519.
Okay, I did that one right. Yay.
Yeah, and then the P2 is basically the same thing but with different data. So X2 is 6155, N2 is 42447.
Okay, perfect.
Yep.
So then 14, I got 0.141.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay. And then 15, 0.145.
Uh-huh.
Z-score negative 2.020.
Yep.
17, I said to the left.
To the left. Yep.
Did you have a question, Alan?
Yeah, because I think I misspelled. I put negative 2.02. Do you have another 2 there?
Negative 2.020. If you've already done the quiz, then it'll take off that last 0 for some reason.
Okay. No, I haven't submitted it. I'm waiting for you guys.
Yeah, I haven't submitted it, and I've actually submitted it without putting down that last 0, and it still counts it, right?
Okay.
So that's okay.
Yeah, because she said 2.02. I was like, okay, am I missing a 2? That's why I asked. But yeah, I got 17. I got to the left, and then for 18, I got 0.022.
Yep, that's what I got.
That's what I got.
And I put reject.
That's what I did.
Reject.
And then 20, I got C.
I said B.
I said C.
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 Yeah, because of that p-value, it's 0.02. And margin of error, it was like, no, the alpha, it's like 0.05.
I
So it's less.
Okay, so they're sufficient.
Yeah. So this is that same situation. So instead of the p-value being higher, it's now lower. So anytime, and this is once again what I do, anytime the p-value is less than alpha, I always immediately will say we have sufficient evidence that something has happened. You know, we have sufficient evidence. So then I go down to my list of answers and I just look for the ones that says there is sufficient. Of course, that's either C or D, and then I just pick through what we're looking for, and that's C. Yeah.
Okay. Well, now I just need to go back and do that first problem over again, just for my sake. But
I'm going to submit it here. Let's see how we did. And we got 100.
woohoo!
Really?
Woo! Awesome.
Do you mind if I wrote it on paper? Do you mind if I just read them back to you real quick?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so for 3.743.
Yep.
4.712.
Yep.
5A.
Yep.
6.031.
Yep.
7.1544.
Yep.
8 negative 0.123.
Yep.
9 0.185.
Yep.
10 fail to reject
Yep.
or A.
Mm-hmm.
11 D.
Yep.
12 true.
Yep.
13 D.
Yep.
14 0.141.
Yep.
15 0.145.
Yep.
16 negative 2.02.
Yep.
17 to the left.
Yep.
18 0.022.
Yep.
19 reject.
Yep.
And 20 C.
That's right.
All right.
Hey guys, so I sometimes submitted like the stuff late, and like sometimes I got like zeros. It doesn't change your grade much. Like your group meeting quizzes, they're pretty much worth like maybe like 2 points out of the whole grade.
Really?
Yeah, because I got like a few zeros and I like redo the stuff and everything, and it doesn't have you grade them more a lot. Homeworks, I think they do a little bit more.
Does it?
Tests is the ones that get you.
Gotcha.
I need every point I can get. But it helps me with my tests to meet with you guys, so I appreciate it. That's mainly what I get out of this is making sure I understand.
Yeah, it's good. It's definitely helpful for the big stuff, things that are important. So.
All right.
We have a test this weekend. I'm worried about that test.
What test?
We have a test this weekend, don't we?
It's not this opens. Is it open this weekend?
Oh, I don't know.
I thought it
Wednesday. On Wednesday.
Oh, is it next Wednesday?
It's next Wednesday.
Oh.
Ooh, okay. That's a lot better because I have like OChem test.
It's like right before Thanksgiving break. It's due.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
I never know about these exams until they like show up the next day, and I'm like, oh, there's an exam.
Yeah. So Unit 3 exam starts on the 21st and ends on the 23rd.
Okay.
What day is Thanksgiving on? Let me look at the calendar. Sorry.
Maybe on Thursday?
Thursday.
So it opens Monday and it's due by Wednesday. So it's right after the weekend here, Dakota.
Oh.
So you're moving and taking a test.
I guess that's cool.
Like, yeah, we have no choice, right? So we'll have a group meeting on the 22nd before the test, I guess, unless you take it on Monday.
Okay.
So
sounds like a plan.
we still have a group meeting quiz on Tuesday before the holiday. Oh, that's not going to be good. I'm traveling on Tuesday.
Hmm.
Can you guys meet any earlier in the day? Or do you guys, I don't know your guys' work schedule if you work or you just go to school or.
Let's see, Tuesday. Well, I'm pretty much available anytime Tuesday.
Same here. You just plan Stephanie.
Could we meet like at 2:30
Yeah, I can do
in the
2:30.
afternoon?
Do we have Devo during that time? Do you think we'll have Devo next weekend, Dakota?
Yeah, we'll have Devo. I'm a bad person. I usually don't go.
So maybe 3. We can meet at 3. Is that okay, Steph? Or is that too?
Yeah. We're just trying to get out the door and out of town at 3.
Uh-huh.
So we can miss rush hour because we're traveling to Boise. It's like a 6-hour drive for us with kids.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work, I'll just skip the group meeting and I can watch the recording. If you guys want, that's okay. So, but whatever's up to, either 2:30 or I'll just skip it.
Okay.
Whatever.
I think that should work.
2:30.
Depends how spiritual I feel if I want to go to Devo.
Oh yeah, I forget devotional. I'm sorry, guys. I'm bad. I should know. I've never gone to one. That's really bad.
Yeah.
I'm an online student.
Devos are good. They're good, but it's hard to do it. For me personally, it's hard to do it just because of everything else going on. But
I try to rewatch them later. That Stephanie, the one with the burn victim. I wanted to see hers.
Oh yeah. Mm.
So, but I never watch them when they happen ever. So I forget. I'm off in my own world over here in Utah. So okay. So as long as you guys are okay missing that 2:30 Tuesday.
Yeah, let's plan on 2:30. Alan, if you need answers or whatever, let me know. Okay.
Okay.
So
All right. Sorry. Thanks, Alan.
Yeah. Good night, guys.
Okay. See you guys.
See ya.
Bye.